Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng opinion, reaction itong article sa Billionario.com, tungkol ito sa posibilidad na tanggalin na sa pwesto si DPWH Secretary Bunuan at ang papalit si dating DPWH Secretary Singson. Ito. Singson offered to take over DPWH amid flood control project scandal. Source: Rogelio Babes Singson has been offered to replace Public Works Secretary Manuel Bunuan, whose post is now in jeopardy in the wake of the corruption scandal hounding the government's multi-billion peso flood control program, a source told the Billionario News Channel. Ito, magaling ang Billionario sa mga bagay nito. Mabibilis yung mga bubuwit nila. Ito, sila ang unang nagbalita nito. According to the source, several individuals close to President Marcos Jr. have made overtures to Singson to return to the Department of Public Works and Highways, a portfolio he had held for 6 years during the administration of the late President Benigno Noynoy Aquino III. Another source said Bunuan was already under pressure to step down after the President expressed anger during his visit to 2 sites of alleged ghost flood control structures in Bulacan. But Singson was said to be reluctant to accept the offer unless the President assures him of full support in instituting reforms in the DPWH, long perceived as one of the most corrupt state agencies. Singson is actually interested in serving again in the DPWH, especially now that the agency is embroiled in this controversy, the source said. Okay. However, he cannot carry out any reform if he would not have the full backing of President Marcos like he did during the time of President Noynoy, the source added. Singson, credited with overseeing several big-ticket infrastructure projects during the Aquino administration, earlier expressed surprise at the ballooning allocations for flood control in recent years. In an interview with BNC last week, he noted that the entire flood control budget during his 6-year term in the DPWH only amounted to 180 billion, far less than the levels seen in recent years. Okay. Naobserbahan ko panahon ng Pinoy administration, maganda yung kanilang infrastructure program. Maraming napagawang tulay, kalsada, and everything. Wala akong problema na nakita sa DPWH panahon nitong si Secretary Singson. Kaya kung totoo itong balitang ito, sana nga matuloy na. Kasi panahon na para umalis opinion ko lang ito panahon na para umalis si Secretary Bunuan. Sinasabi lang niya na I serve at the pleasure of the President. Ganun lang. But kung ako ang nasa kalagayan ni Secretary Bunuan, mag-resign ako out of delicadeza. Wala na nakakahiya na kawawa siya noong Blue Ribbon Committee. Sa dami ng tanong sa kanya, naawan ako dahil tinanong siya ni Senator Marcoleta, 7 times 15, ilan? Gumanon siya, 55. Diba, napakasimple lang, 7 times 15, di ba, 85? Ang sagot niya, 55. Siguro, na siya? stress na masyado dahil sa pangyayari. Napapahiya na ang Pangulo dahil paniwalang Pangulo sa mga reports ng DPWH na marami nang nagagawang flood control project. Kaya ipinagmayabang ang 5,500 flood control projects nung SONA last year. Only to point out, karamihan, palpak at guni-guni. Mismo ang Pangulo, siya nang nagsabi, SONA this year. Mga palpak, guni-guni ang inyong mga proyekto, mahiya naman kayo. Sinong sinabihan niyang mahiya naman kayo? Kongresista, DPWH, contractors. So, panahon na para totohanan. Sabi ng Pangulo, heads will roll. Kaya kung matutuloy ito, that's a good move. Good start of the President. Interesado si Secretary Singson, why not? Yun lang. Kailangan lang niya ng full backing. Yung no nonsense ba? Yung walang mga padri-padrino, walang tawag-tawag. Kasi kung ganun lang na tatawag-tawag, hindi niya wag na lang. Kung ako kay Secretary Singson, wag na lang. So tama, yung kondisyon ni Secretary Singson na dapat mabigyan ng free hand itong susunod na DPWH Secretary to institute reform. Kagaya, mabanggit lang natin sandali sa NBI ba? Free hand si NBI Director Santiago sa pag-reform. Kaya tanggal dito, tanggal doon, mga ganon. Walang nakikialam sa kanya. Ngayon, may nagka-interest sa kanyang posisyon, sinisiraan siya, hanggang napilitan na lang. Yun ang may delikadesa. Yun ang tularan ninyo si NBI Director Santiago, umalis ng kusa para hindi madumihan ang kanyang reputasyon. Dito naman sa DPWH, aywan ko na lang. So, good luck. Sana totoo itong balitang ito. Good luck sa bagong Secretary DPWH Singson na nabantayan ko panahon ng Pinoy Administration. Maganda ang kanyang performance. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon. Dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is